In this video, we'll show you how you can turn a dull hat design into something exciting using the piping 3D effect. Piping adds a three-dimensional effect by following the contours of your design with contour lines, giving elements a textured, lifelike appearance. Don't be intimidated though, it's truly very easy to create this effect. Select one or more parts of your design and set their fill type to piping. Piping is a unique type of fill for which the software scans the shape of the part and creates inner contour lines. This creates this random effect. In order to create the 3D effect, we need to change the density. This changes the distance between the contour lines and creates the 3D effect. If we disable short, long stitches, it becomes even more realistic. Isn't it nice? This can become even more realistic by adding direction lines. Start the stitch flow mode and click and drag to add a direction. As you can see, this side looks already more beautiful. This lower part is also nice, but we can actually enhance it more by creating the impression of a shadow. Again, just by adding a direction. Piping creates a unique fill for each shape. And you can always enhance it by applying a pattern. Piping can create stunning effects when used on irregular shapes where other stitch types fail to shine. It may even resemble the look of brush painting. Try it out today and do share with us your unique designs.